Welcome to the first episode of the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Member News Update, your quick roundup of significant developments and achievements from Southwest Virginia's manufacturing community over the past quarter. From investments and awards to events and resources, we're bringing you the manufacturing-related news that matters, all in one place. Let's start with a major expansion in Bluefield. Lawrence Brothers Incorporated, a third-generation family-owned manufacturer specializing in heavy metal fabrication, has secured a $1.315 million loan from the Virginia Coalfield Economic Development Authority to support its growth plans. This funding will assist in expanding their operations, enhancing production capabilities, and creating new job opportunities in the region. Founded in 1974, Lawrence Brothers has been a cornerstone of the local manufacturing community, providing custom solutions for various industries. Founded in 1974, Lawrence Brothers has been a cornerstone of the local manufacturing community, providing custom solutions for various industries. This latest investment underscores their commitment to innovation and regional economic development. In other significant news, Hitachi Energy is investing $22.5 million to expand and modernize its dry-type transformer operations in Southwest Virginia. This includes the acquisition of a new 75,000 square foot facility in Atkins, Virginia, and substantial upgrades to their existing Bland plant. These enhancements aim to boost production capacity and reinforce Hitachi Energy's long-standing presence in the region. Big congratulations are in order for Somic America, recognized with Toyota's Superior Quality Performance Award, one of only 4 handed out across North America. With operations in Westfield, Virginia and Brewer, Maine, Somic is setting the global standard in steering components and reinforcing its reputation for excellence. Following a devastating fire, West River Conveyors is poised for a strong comeback. The Virginia Coalfield Economic Development Authority has approved up to $4 million in loan funding to help the company relocate and rebuild at the Southern Gap Industrial Park in Buchanan County. This investment marks a significant step in their recovery and future growth. In Bristol, Universal Fibers is ramping up investment in its Nylon 6/6 product line. With new spinning capacity for both solution-dyed and natural yarns, the company is prepared to support new clients as the fiber market shifts. This move positions Universal Fibers as a key player amid industry change. Mohawk Industries' Hillsville facility has officially reached Level 1, the Mohawk standard, as part of the company's new safety management system. This Level 1 certification marks compliance with life safety standards and is a foundational step in a 4-tier system designed to promote long-term safety improvements across all business locations. Senior Plant Manager Chad Whittington shared his pride in the Hillsville team, thanking team members like Wendy Brown for their dedication to creating a culture where safety is everyone's job. He emphasized that the team is already looking ahead to Level 2, which focuses on leadership development and employee engagement in safety practices. Before we move into SVAM's updates, we want to take a minute to recognize a tradition of longevity and commitment in Wythe County. On April 24th, the Joint Industrial Development Authority of Wythe County held its annual Tenure Awards Luncheon at the Wytheville Meeting Center. This event celebrates local companies that have maintained operations in Wythe County for milestone anniversaries, multiples of 5 years, recognizing the important role these businesses play in sustaining the region's economy. This year's honorees included 2 SVAM members, AQ Transformer Solutions with 40 years and Coperion Corporation with 45 years. Congratulations to these companies for their decades of service, employment, and investment in Wythe County. Now we turn our focus to SVAM's recent events and initiatives, highlighting education, workforce development, and industry celebration across the region. First up, the 2024 Southwest Virginia Manufacturing Awards Banquet, held on October 3rd, at the Southwest Virginia Higher Education Center. This annual event honors excellence in manufacturing across 8 categories. This year's honorees included for Manufacturer of the Year, Hitachi Energy; for Community Impact, Lawrence Brothers Incorporated; for Innovations in Manufacturing, Real Performance Machinery; for Environmental Excellence, VFP Incorporated; for Excellence in Safety, Hitachi Energy; for Community Choice, Real Performance Machinery and Somic America; and for Manufacturing Employee of the Year, Charlie Sullivan of SIG. The Eric Miller Memorial Award was presented to Jeff Dunack. The evening brought together community leaders, business professionals, and regional partners to celebrate achievements that fuel our local economy. And just a few months later, SVAM hosted another major event celebrating the people driving our region's manufacturing sector, this time with a focus on women making an impact. The 2025 Women of Manufacturing Symposium was held on March 7th at the Southwest Virginia Higher Education Center in Abingdon. This annual event, which coincides with Women's History Month and International Women's Day, brought together more than 200 attendees, a record turnout this year, including students, professionals, and industry leaders. The event featured Sneha Atwell, Vice President of the Manufacturing Division at the Virginia Economic Development Partnership, as keynote speaker. She shared insights on the evolving role of women in manufacturing and the importance of building a diverse, skilled workforce across Virginia. A panel discussion followed with women from across the industry sharing their career journeys and lessons learned. Thank you to the speakers, panelists, and attendees who made this year's symposium not only the most well-attended yet, but one of the most impactful. SVAM has also hosted 3 Manufacture Your Career events since the fall. The most recent was on April 7th at Mountain Empire Community College with panelists from Komatsu Mining, VFP, and Tate. Earlier events took place in November at Withfield Community College and Virginia Highlands Community College. Across all 3 sessions, students met local professionals, learned about manufacturing careers, and heard firsthand about opportunities in their own backyards. And it doesn't stop there. SVAM's Opportunities in Manufacturing presentation series reached over 500 students this spring. We visited 6 schools in Grayson, Scott, Smith, Washington, Bland, and Wythe counties to dispel myths about manufacturing and show students what's possible, from certifications to careers in engineering, business, and beyond. Members also benefited from exclusive SVAM member opportunities this quarter, trainings, including OSHA 30, Arc Flash, Excel, and supervisor communication workshops. Benchmarking events, SIG in Chilhowie and an EHS peer group session at Woodgrain in Marion. Resource webinars with Ballad Health and OPX Solutions on occupational medicine and operational excellence. These offerings continue to support SVAM's mission of aligning workforce skills with industry needs. That wraps up this edition of SVAM's Member News Update. From all of us at SVAM, thank you for supporting manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. We'll be back next quarter with more news, more milestones, and more reasons to celebrate the incredible work happening across our region. If your SVAM member company would like to be featured in our next episode, simply check the show notes or email programassistant@swvam.org. Until next time.